Good day everyone. Today on behalf of Advocate Bapusai Bhonde High School, Lonavla, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti and birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India celebrated on 2nd October. This day is celebrated in the honor of the birthday of the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. Internationally, this day is celebrated as the International Day of Nonviolence, as Gandhiji was the preacher of nonviolence. He is a symbol of peace and truth. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat. He studied law in UK and practiced law in South Africa. In his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, Gandhiji described his childhood and teenage years, his marriage with Kasturba at the age of 13, and a sheer dedicated for his motherland. He has set an example of simple living and high thinking. He started Satyagraha, that is non-violence movement for the Indian freedom struggle. He played a significant role in achieving independence for India from British rule. He proved to the world that freedom can be achieved through the path of total non-violence. He was against the addiction like smoking and drinking. Gandhiji was a pioneer of truth and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi emphasizes on Swachhata, a clean India be the best tribute. India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birthday anniversary in 2019. Shri Narendra Modi said, Mahatma Gandhi said, sanitation is more important than independence. Some valuable quotes of Mahatma Gandhi. The future depends on what you do today. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Silence is the best answer to anger. Those who know how to think need no teachers. Mahatma Gandhi's photo gallery. Mahatma Gandhi with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Gandhi Memorial, Rajghat. Gandhi Smriti, Delhi. Birla House, Gandhi Smriti, New Delhi. Mahatma Gandhi's room at Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram. Mahatma Gandhi say, be the change that you want to see in the world. My life is my message. Following the footsteps of Gandhiji, cleanliness activity done by the students of standard 4th to 7th.